Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma today said that India as a country has to channelize the potential of the youth and take the country forward. Speaking at the 43rd Annual College Day celebration of the Loyola Academy in Hyderabad, the Chief Minister said
that what is the greatest challenge of this country? And we concluded that the greatest challenge for this country is also the youth of this country. And the reason why the strength and the challenge is the same is because it all depends on how we shape the youth. It all depends on how we channelize the youth. It all depends on how we mold the energy of the youth. And if we do it in the right way, then the youth will be our greatest strength. And if we are not able to do it in the right way, it will be the greatest challenge for us. Our youth is our greatest constructive force, and if put in the wrong channel, it is the greatest destructive force also. And that is the reason why I always believe that as a political leader, we must always communicate with the youth. We must always tell them that how important it is for this nation to be successful in the coming years. It will depend on you.
During his visit to Hyderabad, the Chief Minister met the Industrial Technology Education and Communications Minister of Telangana, K Ramarao, informing the gathering about his discussion with Ramarao on Apple Mobile Manufacturing Company and its turnover, which is close to $3 trillion, the Chief Minister said.
Apple, the company, is almost a $3 trillion company. And India's GDP is not yet $3 trillion. Apple is made out of about 100,000 to 150,000 people working in it. That makes that company a $3 trillion, almost a $3 trillion company. And India has a population of 1.2 billion people, and we are not yet at 3 trillion. The productivity of each of the people working at Apple is so high that 100 and 150,000 people can create a value of close to 3 billion. The question is, why can't India, with 1 billion plus population, touch more than 3 trillion, 5 trillion, 10 trillion is what we need to get at. And the big question and the important aspect of this is that it is up to the youth and how we shape them that is going to determine whether we are able to take this country forward to the level that this country deserves, to the level, the potential that we have. And you all know the potential that you have, the youth power that we have. Mold it in the right manner, and it will be the biggest constructive force for this nation. That is the principle that I believe in, and that is the reason why, when I was told, let us come to Loyola College, I was more than happy to be here with all of you